What is up, everybody? Welcome to the dirty corner of my studio. I realized that I got a lot of blank space. I had an idea. Got some old Pokemon cards, some of the old generation, and do a little decorating. I don't want to ruin the cards. Maybe I'll learn how to do a little montage. Otherwise, this is just going to be weird because it's just me sitting here. It's going to get awkward. Alright, so now I'm going to put them up, and I think what I'm going to do, I put one up already. I think what I'll do is I'll lay over the holes underneath, and then what I did on this one is I actually put the tape inside of the sleeve and then over the bottom sleeve so all of these cards can be pulled out. And remember, the whole point of this is I'm decorating with them, but I do not want to destroy them. This needs to be full, so I'm going to shift the whole thing down. I should have been working from this side to begin with because this gives me a flat edge to run off of, and then I'm not tucking under, I'm laying over. Alright, well, here we go. So far, that's upside down. Looks pretty good so far. I'm going to move some of these ones around. I think this was just my trial, so it's got a lot of the cards that I stole from my son. So I need to put some of these in protectors and move them around a little bit. And we'll see about filling in this corner, but since it's behind the door, I don't think anyone would really notice that anyways. What do you think? I'm going to go and finish that off, and maybe we'll get some results, huh? I think it looks pretty cool.
Hey, that's pretty good.
If you come up with anything, let me know down in the comments, or if you do something with this, show me. I would love to see what ideas you guys come up with, or if you think of some way to better organize this. This is chaotic. I love it, but it's nuts. I feel like I should have started at the top. Why did I start in the middle? Oh man, I'm gonna have to move it all up.